Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The integration of sine t, we have negative cosine t. And I will put the bounds from negative b over 4 to positive b over 4. The next one, the integral of number 1, that is about t. The next one, that is about sine t. And we put the bounds from negative b over 4 to positive b over 4. And the last one, secant of t, that is about tan t. Now we can get the final answer, so I will put b over 4 cone here, negative b over 4 cone here. Similar for the second one. And now we can get the answer for this one, that is about number 0. This one, that is about b over 2. And we have positive with the square root of number 2. And this one, we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.